Are you ready to revolutionize the way you work with Microsoft Word, the most popular word processing software in the classroom? Look no further than Word 2002, a comprehensive approach, Student Edition. This is a game-changing learning solution designed specifically for students, and I'm here to tell you why. Imagine being able to take your writing skills to the next level with a comprehensive guide that walks you through every feature, function, and technique you need to succeed. That's exactly what you get with Word 2002, a comprehensive approach, Student Edition. No more struggling to understand the basics of formatting, editing, and proofreading. This book gives you the confidence to create professional-looking documents and tackle even the most complex writing assignments with ease. One of the standout features of this Student Edition is its step-by-step approach to learning Word 2002. You'll learn how to create documents, work with templates, and apply styles and themes with ease. The book also covers advanced features like mail merge, macros, and custom toolbars, giving you a deep understanding of Word's capabilities and how to use them to your advantage. But what really sets Word 2002, a comprehensive approach, Student Edition apart, is its real-world relevance. The book is filled with examples, exercises, and projects that mirror the types of writing tasks you'll encounter in the real world. Whether you're a college student, a professional, or simply looking to upgrade your word processing skills, this book gives you the knowledge and skills you need to succeed. So what's it like to use Word 2002, a comprehensive approach, Student Edition? Imagine being able to create polished, professional-looking documents with ease. Imagine having the confidence to take on even the most complex writing projects and coming out with flying colors. That's exactly what you'll experience when you use this comprehensive guide. The end result is that you'll be able to produce high-quality documents that showcase your skills and style. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity to take your writing skills to the next level. Get your copy of Word 2002, a comprehensive approach, Student Edition today, and discover a more efficient, effective, and enjoyable way to work with Microsoft Word. Whether you're a student or a professional, this comprehensive guide is the perfect solution for anyone looking to master the world of word processing.